It's about 7 degrees out this morning. There's no wind. The waves are clean. I got 3mm gloves, which I'm gonna wear underneath 5mm mittens. We'll see how long I last. Because we're gonna have a high of like 22 degrees on the beach today. It's gonna be epic. I hope everyone stays safe during this storm. I'm going in the ocean. See yous.
Everything that hurts to feel. All you know is all that you've put up to keep you from the truth. A wall to keep out all the hurt, only to keep out all that's worth. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool, and it's getting old.